Hello, Bacha Body. Welcome to the another lecture of Standard 6, Chapter number 2, Component of Food. In the previous lecture, we had discussed many of the things like protein, carbohydrates, vitamin, and now we are talking about the fats, vitamins. Clear? Some of the portions are still left about the vitamin. Clear? So, if you had not seen the previous lecture, go in the playlist and watch the video. Clear, Bacha Body? हंसते हंसते पढ़ेंगे ना, मजा आएगा. Yeah. So we are in the fat soluble vitamin. Clear. So in the fat soluble vitamin we had completed the vitamin A, vitamin K, and now we vitamin A. Clear. And now we are in the portion of vitamin K, and even we had completed vitamin D. Clear. Which portion we had completed? Vitamin A, D. Clear. And now we are in the portion of vitamin K from the fat soluble. So what is vitamin K? Now sir, the things which you are making study to us, is it the only the things in the nutrients जो सर पढ़ा रहे हैं वही सिर्फ न्यूट्रिएंट्स में आ रहा है और कुछ भी नहीं, या सर ने जितने विटामिन दिए वही है? No, bacha body. There is a lots of vitamins, lots of nutrients are there, but major nutrients are things which I am going to study to you. Clear? But the vitamin which I am going to study or which I am providing to you is based on your level and your syllabus. Clear? So in your level there is only such type of vitamins come, so you can understand betterly. If your concept is going to be clear, then in the further class and the further session you can understand better and much more. Clear? बेस अच्छा होना चाहिए, इमारत तो अच्छी बनेगी, यहाँ पे आपका बेस क्लियर होगा. क्लियर? With the good concept. This is Sufyan sir with explaining you the chapter number 2. Clear? So what is vitamin K? Help in the coating of blood. We know very well that there is a cell of blood. In many of the movies you can observe it that the cell of the blood is looking like the, yes, peel, मतलब गोली की तरह दिखता है. Clear? So for the coating of that blood, vitamin K is very important. Clear? Deficiency cause hemorrhage, and you know very well that you heard that word hemorrhage, and hemorrhage can also cause for the death. इंसान मर भी सकता है. क्लियर? अगर ब्रेन हेमरेज हुआ है तो. सोर्स, सर, if we have lack of vitamin, then how we can improve or how we can get the vitamin K? So there is a source is a green vegetable like spinach, मतलब के साग भाजी बोलते हैं ना वो, egg yolk, soybean oil and etc. Egg yolk means what? It's a yellow type portion of the egg. In the egg, if you crack the egg, there is the white and the yellow portion. If you eat the yellow portion, you can get the vitamin K. Or no need to just eat the yellow portion. If you are eating the egg, then eat full of the egg. So from the egg, you can get many of the things like protein, fats, vitamins. Clear? So how we get vitamin K help in the coating of blood, even that it causes that, yes, hemorrhage, and this is the source of the vitamin K that from which thing we can eat it. Now in that there is a vitamin E also, that how it going to be a help to us. Yes, in our course they just indicate the name that vitamin E is fat soluble. Clear? But not given the too much information, but I will provide you the information, but there is no need to write it. Clear? If you want to write it that for the fat soluble vitamin A, D, E and K. Clear? So vitamin E is the combination of all the things, means it going to be resist the infection. If the person has the infection, or it going to be help the immunity system of the person. Clear? Also in the blood of the coating, it going to be provide from the all the vegetables oils, clear, nuts. So from that we can get it the vitamin E. Even that if there is a deficiency of vitamin E, there is a nervous system or there is a weakness of our body. हमारी बॉडी एकदम वीक हो जाएगी, नर्वस सिस्टम स्लो हो जाएगा. इवन दैट यू कैन नॉट एबल टू वर्क प्रॉपरली. क्लियर. So this is the vitamin A of symptoms, vitamin E of symptoms. Clear. And how you can improve it? By eating the green vegetables, milk, by eating what? Yes, egg, all the things you can eat, so you can get the vitamin E also. Now we are in the portion of the vitamin C, which is a water soluble vitamin. Clear. So the next topic is then water soluble vitamin. There is then vitamin C, ascorbic acid. Yes, vitamin C is also known as what? Ascorbic acid. So how it can be help when the vitamin E, no, the word acid indicate that when you eat the sure thing, SOUR, sure thing, मतलब खट्टी चीज खाओगे ना, from that you are getting the acid. Any of the acid if you want, then there is a what? Sure thing. If the ant is bite to your hand, अगर ant bite किया आपके हाथ में, means what? There is irritation to that portion, जलन होती है. They produce the formic acid. Clear. So irritation, sore, all the things are comes in the acid formation. Clear. When you smell that acid, your nose is going to be irritated. तो जब भी कोई भी चीज के अंदर स्मेल आए, इरिटेशन कर दे, जलन हो या खट्टी चीज हो, तो आपको पता चल ही जाएगा दिस इज द देयर इज एसिड प्रेजेंट इन दैट सब्सटेंस. बच्चा बाटे मिलाना एक हिंट तुरंत पता चल जाएगा बाय observing, by smelling, or by eating the things. You can prefer it that this thing have the acid. Clear. So essential for the teeth, gums, and the joint. You know very well that what is joint? The portion from the hand can or the body of the portion can be moved. These are joint. This is joint. This is joint. Means from the small thing our body is prepared. Small particle, or we can say small bonds. Even that these portions can be moved. Clear? Look at it. Means the portion through which the body can be moved, it's known as a joint. Clear? So it is essential for the teeth, gums, and the joint health. Clear? If there is a vitamin C, then there is a all the works is going to be a properly. If there is lack of vitamin, then it's going to be a work. It's not going to be a work properly. Like teeth आपके गिर जाएंगे. Even that there is a gum bleeding. Even that your joints are also paining. If there is a lack of a vitamin C, even that on the condition there is not the simple condition that when the lack of vitamin C, on that time only joint can pain. There is a more than one factor that joint can be a pain. Clear? तो सिर्फ विटामिन सी कम होने से आपके जॉइंट में दर्द नहीं होता, बहुत कुछ इन सब क्या है ना कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग. So that can be studied in the furthermore. Clear? From that when you move or when you take the heavy substance to your hand, or we can say if you are doing the exercise, clear, and using the dumbbells, after some time what your hand is going to be pain, and when you take the dumbbells up or when you are push up कर रहे हो तभी भी आपके joints pain हो रहे. Why? Because there is a lack of oxygen also. How so lack of oxygen can pain the joints? That you will study in the further class. This is for the suspense to you. Clear बच्चा बाटे? Suspense होना चाहिए. Science is an interesting subject. There is a lot of suspense like a web series. You can create the more interest. Clear? So it also increase the resistance of our body to infections and help to fight the disease. Clear? Like vitamin E. Even that each and every vitamins are going to be interconnected to each other. In vitamin E also there is a resistance and strong immunity system. In vitamin C also there is a what fight against the disease, even that stop the infection. Clear? Now if there is a deficiency of vitamin C, what cause? Screw. Clear? And screw means it's a simple that the bleeding of gums, even the paining of joints. Clear? The things which provides to the useful. Clear? And if there is a lack of the things, it's going to be a disadvantage. मतलब कि सिंपल है, अगर वो चीज होने से हमें ये फायदा होता है तो ना होने से वो फायदा नहीं होगा ना. Clear? So vitamin C provide help to the teeth, gums and joint. If there is lack of vitamin, then it's the screw, means the teeth, gum and joint is going to be not work properly. Clear? So sir, how we can get the vitamin C? Yes, bacha party. In the previous also I had told you that if you are eating the things which are sure khatti cheezein, they can provide us the vitamin C, means citric acid. Clear? Citric acid provide us the vitamin C. If you are eating the apple, sir, apple is a sweet. No, bacha party. First there is a green apple, after that they is converted into the red. Clear? So when you eat the green apple, वो क्या होगा? खट्टा होगा. It is what there is a presence of citric acid, means the vitamin C. Clear? Citric food means the food which is sure in taste. Clear? Amla, tomato is also the sure in the taste. Guava, green vegetable, even that if you are eating the lemon also. Clear? Then on that time also you are getting the vitamin C. And vitamin C provide us the strong immunity system. In the coronavirus time also, if you are using the sweet lemon or sweet lemon juice, limbu sarbat piyo, on that time also what there is a strong immunity system. आपकी immunity system बढ़ेगी. Clear? Almost fresh fruit and vegetable contain vitamin C. Clear? All the fresh food and all the vegetable contain vitamin C. But there is one important thing is that what the fresh food need the taste in the show. खट्टा उसका स्वाद होना चाहिए. Clear बच्चा बाटी? Write it down or take a screenshot. Okay, बच्चा वाले. So there is another slide of this lecture. Yeah. So in this slide we are going to study the vitamin B. Clear? Last and the final of that vitamin portion. Over there is a B complex we had studied. So here we can write it that B complex. Clear? Or we can say that vitamin B. Not a big deal. Clear? But in the vitamin D there is a sub portions like this way. You can observe it here that vitamin B can be formatted into the B1, B2, B3, B12. Clear बच्चा वाले? But it is not completed over here. There is even that B4, B5, B6, B7, most of that vitamins, but we are not going to study over here. Clear? So don't fear when I was here. Clear? So vitamin B1 is also known as a thiamine. Clear? So what is actually a thiamine? If you heard the vitamin B1, then also no problem. If there is an question of explain thiamine or write the thiamine, that can be asked in the 2 marks only, because it's not a big. And even that in your book there is a sum of the portion that is given that vitamin can also help in the body, functioning of body, growth of the body. Clear? But not a given the proper portion. So here I am going to elaborate each and every point so you can understand betterly. Clear? So how the vitamin can help to our body, even that how each and every vitamin is going to be help to our body. और विटामिन का कुछ ना कुछ रहस्य होता है ना, तो रहस्य से पर्दा हम उठा रहे हैं. लेकिन I will provide you the level of 1. Yeah, first level. Because directly सब कुछ पढ़ा दिया तो सर बाउंस जाएगा. Clear? So I will provide you some of the portion so I can improve your knowledge, even that I can update you. So in the further classes you can understand betterly, clear, and you can prepare for the, even prepare for the after the 10th 11th 12th if you are going in the Gujket and any of the exam, clear. So look at here that vitamin B1 is also known as what, thiamine, clear, and it is essential for what, growth, proper functioning of the digestive systems, heart, nerves and the muscles, clear. If there is a vitamin, if there is a some portion of a vitamin B1 present to our body, then our growth is going to be perfectly, even that our body function is going to be perfectly, even that digestive system can be work properly, साथ में heart and the nerves and muscles can be going to be a work properly. Means what, that the vitamin is look like oil when you are present, or when you put the oil in the chain of the cycle, your cycle is going to be work properly. So our bodies look like a cycle and the vitamins look like a oil, clear. Some of the amount of vitamin is also needed to our body. Now सर, if there is a deficiency of vitamin A, कुछ चीज होती है, बहुत अच्छी बात है सर, अगर नहीं हुई तो, because in each and every case there is a two portion, one is the negative portion and one is the positive portion. Like if there is a coin, there is a head and tail, both, clear. अच्छा होता है किसी चीज का तो उसका बुरा भी तो होता ही है. So we have to observe it and we have to prepare for both the side, clear. So if there is a deficiency, then how it going to be damage to our body? So it cause beriberi. Sir, beriberi? Yes, bacha badi. Beriberi means affect our nervous system, even also that affect to the proper functioning of digestive system also. It going to be pain to our stomach, clear. Even that heart also, there is effect in the heart also, clear, functioning of heart, clear. So we need all type of vitamins, clear. But sir, so it is very dangerous to us because it's going to be affect to our heart, nerves and the digestive system. So if there is lack of vitamins, so how we can improve it? क्योंकि कुछ डिफिकल्टीज लाइफ में आती है तो सर उसे हम सुधारते कैसे? सर मेहनत करते, बट वो क्या मेहनत है वो सर बताएंगे ना. So present in the egg milk, meat, whole grain, cereals. सर cereals, yes, हर एक टाइप के सीरियल्स, मतलब पल्सेस सब आ गए ना, ग्राम्स, potato, yeast, yeast in the simple language you can say the khamir, clear. Even that if in the any of the provisional store you can easily available these things, but if you don't want to buy this, even that in the bread, if you are eating the bread, pav bolte na, clear, in the bread there is a present of yeast, clear, but not in the big portion, in the small portion, but you can get it easily. But in the provision store you can take it from the provision store also, even that green vegetable, clear. Now from the up to the here you can observe it. If you had observed, then it is good that the pattern of my writing is very easy to understand. How? First of all, I had written that which vitamin over there. Now name of the vitamin can, how they can help to us, because कोई भी चीज हम देखेंगे नई चीज तो हमें कैसे मदद करेगी. Even that if you observe the student, मतलब if we are the student and if the newcomers to come to our class, what we are first think, oh this person is good in the study, हमारा फ्रेंड बन जाए तो हमें कितनी मजा आएगी, हमें सब कुछ आराम से इजीली अवेलेबल हो जाएगा. Even that they can help to our study. Means what? Vitamin B1, मतलब this is the newcomer person, how they can help? This is a help, or we can say essential, जरूरी है हमारे लिए, or we can say they can provide us to help. सर अगर वो हेल्प नहीं करेगा तो क्वेश्चन आते हैं ना, मैं फ्रेंडशिप करूंगा, अगर उसने हेल्प ना कर दिया तो क्या होगा, तो ये ना किया तो ये प्रॉब्लम होगा, तो सर उसे हम सुधार कैसे सकते हैं, तो ये करेंगे ना तो सुधार सकेंगे. मीन्स व्हाट? हेल्प डेफिशिएंसी प्रेजेंट, क्लियर. So here I had provided the some of the demos that essential, deficiency and the cause, so you can understand betterly, clear बच्चा बातें. Now Wait a minute. So now this is an B1. So what we are writing? B2. Clear? So B2 is what? Riboflavin. Flavin. Clear? Riboflavin, or we can say the riboflavin. Clear? So, sir, how it going to be help to us? It's going to be help for essential for the skin. Clear? Even that is going to be for the growth. Clear? Skin, sir, how only the skin means we can not able to understand properly. So skin is the incomplete word. So how we can write? Healthy skin growth. Clear? Now, sir, if there is a deficiency of vitamin B2 means riboflavin. So what's happened to us is the celluliosis. So celluliosis we are not able to understand properly. So what is a celluliosis? Clear? It's a yes. Li. Clear? So, sir, what is celluliosis? We are not able to understand properly. So, celluliosis is what? Lips become inflamed. सर लिप बिकम सूज जाते हैं हमारे लिप्स. क्लियर? कभी कभी आप देखते हो इन द मॉर्निंग टाइम और एनी ऑफ द टाइम suddenly your lips is going to be inflamed. So some of the persons saying there is an infection or there is an allergy, but there is a lack of what? Vitamin B2 means a riboflavin. Even that there is some of the person also they have allergy, which is खा लेते तो उससे वो एलर्जी हो जाती है कि there is the lip is going to be a inflamed. So sir, how we can improve it? Yes, bacha. So for the improvement of that things, so we can eat what? Yeast, egg, afterwards meat and peas. Yeah. So in this pattern you can able to understand easily, even that you don't want to remember the things. Yeah. That vitamin B2 help in the healthy skin and the growth. After that, if there is a deficiency, what is the celluliosis? Celluliosis means leaf is going to be inflamed. Now, if we want to, if there is a deficiency, if we want to fulfill the deficiency, how we can? So with the use of yeast, milk, egg, meat, and the peas. Yeah. So write these things or take a screenshot. Clear bacha bade? Now, so for the further portion of this chapter, twin with us. Till then, do whatever you want to do, man. But don't trouble your parents. Goodbye and stay safe to your home, bacha bade. Bye bye.